Hey, yeah! My turn. Come on. What are you afraid of? Don't tell me you're giving up already. Giving up already? I thought you were stronger than that. Where's the challenge? You still don't got it. I guess I got careless. Don't give up. Stay with it. Ha! Hey, Sora! No. Not yet. My skills fail me. Come, show me your power! Pitiful. Now witness true power. Give up yet? Is that it? Well, what now? Useless. You're nothing. Welcome, Oblivion!
Take this! Submit! Come, Guardian! My strength returns. Come, open your heart. The final darkness is nigh. You insolent little. What do you hope to accomplish? Do not deny your fear. Welcome the darkness into your heart. Come forth. Return to darkness. Now, you weak-hearted fools, witness real power. Come, darkness. All shall be extinguished. Is this the answer? It can't be. Now show me what your precious light can do. Still confused? Then perhaps this will enlighten you.